Good morning children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. So today in this topic we would like to discuss some assignment questions in 6th class. So the first question is all about study the pattern children. Please observe the pattern carefully. The question is 91 into 11 into 1 is equal to 1001. 99 into 11 into 2 is equal to 2002. Yes. 91 into 11 into 3 is equal to 3003. So if this is a question, they are asking us to write down the next 4 steps children. So 91 into 11 is a number which is common over here. So 91 into 11 you need to write down as it is into. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, the number goes on increasing, right? So you need to increase the number over here, that is 4 is equal to 4004. So that is 1001, 2002, 3003. Obviously the next will be 4004. So 91 into 11 into 5 is equal to 5005. Next will be 91 into 11 into 6 is equal to 6006. Yes or no children? So 91 into 11 is a number which is common, into 7 is equal to 7007. So this is the answer for the good question. Now coming to the second question children. Second one. Observe the pattern children, that is 1 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 12 into 8 plus 2 is equal to 98. 123 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 987. Yes or no? This is a question they have given. They are asking us to write down the next 4 steps children. So when you observe the equations over here, it was 1 initially, next it has increased to 12, that is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, next will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and obviously next will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no children? We need to increase the number over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes or no? So that's into. Obviously, all the integers are multiplied with 8. So into 8, we need to write down as it is into 8. Okay. Plus 1, 2, 3, next will be 4, 5, 6, and 7 is equal to. The resultant answer will be 9, 98, 987. Next will be 9876, 98765. Yes. 987654, 987654, So you need to understand the given pattern children so that you will get the resultant answer. It is as simple as that children. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now coming to the third question. When you observe the third question over here, the question is all about like 46 into 5 is equal to 230 into 1. Next to 46 into 15 is equal to 230 into 3. Next to 46 into 25 is equal to 230 into 5. They are asking us to write down the next 2 steps children. So 46 is a number which is common in each and every step. So 46 into, see here in the first step it was 5, next it has become 15, that means 10 has been increased. Next it has become 25, that means again 10 has been increased. So 25 plus 10 is nothing but 35 is equal to 2, that is a number which is common into. Here the numbers you can observe over here are odd numbers children. So 1, 3, 5, next odd number will be 7. So 46 into, you need to increase 10, okay, 45 is equal to 230 into, next odd integer will be 9. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay. Now coming to the fourth question children. The fourth question is 77 into 13 into 1 is equal to 1001. 77 into 13 into 2 is equal to 2002. 77 into 13 into 3 is equal to 3003. So if this is the question, they are asking us to find out the next 4 steps children. 77 into 13 is the number which is common in each and every step. So much children. So you need to write down 77 into 13 as it is into. Here it was 1, next it was 2, next it was 3. So obviously it will be 4 is equal to 4004. Yes or no? So 77 into 13 into 5 is equal to 5005. Yes? 77 into 13 into 6 is equal to 6006. 77 into 13 into 7 is equal to 7007. Yes? The only thing is you need to write down the integers whatever the, you can see in the first step as it is children. The only thing is you need to increase the number over here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7. Yes, and you need to write the resultant answer as 1001. If you write 1, 1001. 2, it will be 2002. 3, 3003. So similarly 7, 7007. Yes, I hope it is clear. Now coming to the last question for the session, children, that is fifth question. So the fifth question is all about how would we multiply the number 435 into 9 and one more question 435 into 99. So 435 into 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. So that is equal to 435. 435 into 10 is nothing but 4350 minus 435 into 1 is nothing but 435. When you subtract 4350 from 435 from 4350, you will get the resultant answer as 3915. Okay. So similarly, when you come across this question, it is 435 into 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. That is equal to 43500 minus 430. Just subtract the number, subtract 435 from 43,500. So that you will get the resultant answer as 43,065. So the only thing you need to remember here is, children, you need to convert 9 as 10 minus 1 and 99 as 100 minus 1, and you will get the resultant answer as the following. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone, children. So these are the questions we need to discuss in this assignment. So in the tomorrow's assignment we will come across with the different topics. I hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you one and all. Thank you all.